Welcome back to OG Superfly Garage. Today, it is a warm 41 degrees. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna change my daughter's headlight housings in her 2001 Hyundai Elantra. This one right here. Gonna change the whole look of the car. And you guys understand, when you change the headlight housing and it's not cloudy and it's nice and clean, how good it looks. Oh my God, it's gonna change its look dramatically. You'll see, so stay tuned. If all else fails, make your own extension. Now it's a matter of transferring the lights to that. Not good. Go to the steps. I don't have a knife.
I have one.
Of course you do. Ta-da! Of course, this is the plastic that's covering it. I'm gonna leave it on to the last second before we peel it off. But already, you can see the difference, right? Night and day. These are the original headlights. So it's a 2001, so they're quite old. So hopefully these will last as long as these. Now I gotta transfer the headlights over, or the lights over, I should say. Gotta leave this like this, so it doesn't get scratched. You never want to touch the bulb with your bare hand. I'm sure you guys already know this, but if you touch the bulb with your bare hand, the oils from your hands will get on the light, and when the light heats up, it'll boil the oil from your skin and then it'll explode the light bulb. So you don't want to do that. Is this really gonna do this to me? Really? There we go. First one's in, turn signal. I'm gonna have to get this one out. It's best you keep these dust covers. Like throw away the old headlight lens assembly, but keep the dust cover because these are hard to find. So I would keep that. Oh, it's already got lights in it. See? It came with lights already installed. On that side, check this one. Yep. It's got a light bulb in it already. Well, that's good. The light bulbs in this housing, this old housing, are brand new, so I'm gonna pull those out and save them. betcha. Well, that makes it easy. All right, let's go. Doesn't quite line up, so you gotta kind of persuade it. There we go. Because you gotta remove this in order to get to the bolt down below. And that kind of sucks, man. Well, I hope you liked the video of this DIY changing the headlight housings on a 2001 Hyundai Elantra. The same principle applies to other vehicles too. When you clean up that front end, especially the headlights, man, it looks gorgeous. So anyway, if you liked it, hit that like and subscribe, and also leave your comments below. All positive feedback, even negative, is welcome. Have a good day.